Hello, everyone. Welcome to SDG. If you're passionate about tracing your family roots and organizing your genealogical research, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our comprehensive Notion template, the Family Heritage and Genealogy Tracker. This all-in-one solution is designed to help you seamlessly map out your family history, preserve cherished memories, and stay organized throughout your research journey. Let's dive right in. The Family Heritage and Genealogy Tracker is meticulously crafted to cater to both beginners and seasoned genealogists. It includes 12 interconnected pages, each serving a unique purpose in building and maintaining your family tree. From documenting vital records to preserving family traditions, this template ensures that every aspect of your genealogy is covered. First up is the Family Tree page. This is the heart of the template, where you can map out your entire family lineage. Each family member has an individual profile containing personal details, photographs, and connections to their relatives. This visual representation makes it easy to understand relationships between ancestors and descendants. Next, we have the Document Archives. This section serves as a centralized repository for all your important family documents, photos, and memorabilia. Whether it's birth certificates, old photographs, or scanned letters, you can store and organize them here for easy access and preservation. The Ancestral Locations page allows you to record and visualize significant places related to your family's history. From ancestral homes and migration paths to locations of important events, this map-based page provides geographical context to your genealogical research. Moving on to Interview Logs. This dedicated space is perfect for recording and preserving family stories through interviews. You can document conversations, add transcriptions, and store audio or video recordings, ensuring that the voices and memories of your loved ones are never forgotten. For those who have taken DNA tests, the DNA test results page is invaluable. Here, you can store and analyze your genetic heritage information, explore ethnicity estimates, and keep track of your DNA matches. This integration helps you uncover new connections and insights about your ancestry. The Research Journal is your personal workspace for tracking your genealogical research activities. Log your notes, hypotheses, tasks, and reflections to stay organized and efficient. This page ensures that all your research progress is documented and easily accessible. The Historical Records page aligns your family's personal events with significant historical happenings. By placing family milestones alongside global and local events, you gain a deeper understanding of the context in which your ancestors lived. Preserving family traditions is made easy with the Family Recipes page. Collect and organize cherished recipes passed down through generations, complete with ingredients, instructions, photos, and the stories behind each dish. This section celebrates your family's culinary heritage. On the Family Traditions and Stories page, you can document unique family traditions, customs, and legendary tales. This space honors the intangible aspects of your family's legacy, ensuring that these cherished memories are preserved for future generations. Lastly, the Additional Resources page provides helpful tips, guides, and external links to enhance your genealogical research. Whether you're looking for research strategies or external databases, this page serves as a hub for all your supplementary needs. And there you have it, the Family Heritage and Genealogy Tracker Notion template, your ultimate tool for building and preserving your family history. If you're ready to embark on your genealogical journey with ease and organization, click the link in the description below to get your copy today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on using Notion and organizing your life, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Happy researching!